Daily Speak. Learn, listen, speak. Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and I'm really glad you're here. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to live one full day together in English. From the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep. Every normal thing you do every single day. Getting up, eating breakfast, going to work, coming home, going to bed. Because here's the thing. Most English classes teach you words you use once a year. Today, I'm going to teach you the sentences you can use today, tomorrow, and every day after that. So here's how this works. I'll say a sentence slowly. Then you repeat it out loud. Out loud is important, not in your head. Your mouth needs the practice too. And stay with me until the end, because I have a short story for you about one ordinary day. All right, let's wake up. It's morning. Your alarm is ringing. The first sentence of the day. Repeat after me. I just woke up. I just woke up. Good. Now, maybe you're still sleepy. I'm still half asleep. I'm still half asleep. That's a very natural phrase. Half asleep. It means you're awake, but not really. Now, many of us do this next thing. I hit the snooze button. I hit the snooze button. The snooze button. Every English learner should know this word. It's the most used button in the world. If you didn't sleep well, I didn't sleep well last night. I didn't sleep well last night. And if you slept great, I slept like a baby. I slept like a baby. That's an idiom. To sleep like a baby means you slept deeply and peacefully. Now let's get out of bed. I need to get up. I need to get up. Notice this. Wake up and get up are different. Wake up means your eyes open. Get up means your body leaves the bed. Sometimes there are 20 minutes between them. Now you're up. Let's get ready for the day. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower. In American English, we say take a shower, not do a shower. Take. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. I'm getting dressed. I'm getting dressed. Now, a very useful one when you're deciding what to wear. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? And if you're in a hurry, I'm running late. I'm running late. Running late. Such a useful phrase. You'll use it more than you want to. I need to hurry up. I need to hurry up. And when you talk to someone in your home, have you seen my keys? Have you seen my keys? I think we all ask that one every morning. Now let's eat something. I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. I'm starving. I'm starving. Starving means very, very hungry. It's stronger than hungry, and we use it all the time. Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? I don't have time for breakfast. I don't have time for breakfast. I'll just grab something on the way. I'll just grab something on the way. Grab. That's a great word. It means to take something quickly. Let me grab my bag. Let me grab a coffee. Very natural, very American. Now let's leave the house. I'm heading out. I'm heading out. Heading out means leaving. I'm heading out now. I'm heading to work. Use it and you'll sound natural immediately. I'll see you tonight. I'll see you tonight. Have a good day. Have a good day. Now, the journey. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I drive to work. I drive to work. I walk to work. I walk to work. Choose the one that's true for you and say it again. Now here's a very common question. How long does it take? How long does it take? And the answer, it takes about 30 minutes. It takes about 30 minutes. If the roads are bad, the traffic is terrible today. The traffic is terrible today. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. Stuck. It means you can't move. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck at work. Very useful. Now you've arrived. Let's learn some daily work English. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? That question is small talk gold. Every Monday, everywhere, I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. I'm swamped. I'm swamped. Swamped means extremely busy. If someone says, "How's it going?" and you're very busy, just say, "Swamped." They'll understand completely. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? I'll get back to you on that. I'll get back to you on that. That's a great phrase. Get back to you means I'll answer you later. Use it when you need time to think. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Now it's lunchtime, the best part of the day. I'm taking a break. I'm taking a break. Do you want to grab lunch? Do you want to grab lunch? There's that word again, grab. Grab lunch. Grab a coffee. Grab a bite. What are you in the mood for? What are you in the mood for? In the mood for. It means what do you feel like eating? I'm in the mood for pizza. Try it. I'm in the mood for something spicy. I'm in the mood for something spicy. Let's go somewhere close. Let's go somewhere close. I need to get back by 1. I need to get back by 1. The workday is over. Let's go home. I'm on my way home. I'm on my way home. On my way. You'll text this sentence 1,000 times. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Exhausted means very, very tired. It was a long day. It was a long day. I just want to relax. I just want to relax. Now you're home. I'm home. I'm home. How was your day? How was your day? And the answers? It was pretty good. It was pretty good. It was kind of rough. It was kind of rough. Rough means difficult or hard. A rough day. A rough week. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. That's a fun one. It means nothing new, just the usual. Very casual, very natural. Now let's make dinner. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I'm cooking tonight. I'm cooking tonight. Let's just order something. Let's just order something. Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready. This smells amazing. This smells amazing. After dinner, I'll do the dishes. I'll do the dishes. Now, evening free time. I'm watching a movie. I'm watching a movie. I'm just scrolling on my phone. I'm just scrolling on my phone. Let's be honest. That's the real one. I'm going to relax for a bit. I'm going to relax for a bit. For a bit. It means for a short time. Let's wait for a bit. Rest for a bit. The day is almost over. I'm getting sleepy. I'm getting sleepy. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I need to set my alarm. I need to set my alarm. Good night. Good night. Sleep well. Sleep well. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. And there it is. One full day from your alarm to your pillow, completely in English. Now, let's relax. Just listen. No repeating. Let the English flow. Maria woke up at 6:30. She hit the snooze button. Twice. When she finally got up, she was already running late. She took a quick shower, got dressed, and grabbed a banana instead of breakfast. On the bus, she was stuck in traffic for 20 minutes. She thought, great, the whole day is going to be like this. But it wasn't. At work, a coworker said, "Good morning. How was your weekend?" And Maria answered in English. Just one sentence. "It was pretty good, thanks. How about yours?" Small. Simple. Nothing special. But on the bus going home, she realized something. She had spoken English that day, and she hadn't even been nervous. She hadn't planned the sentence. It just came out. That evening, her friend asked, "How was your day?" And Maria smiled and said, same old. But it wasn't. Something had changed. And here's what I want you to understand. Maria didn't have a special day. She had an ordinary day. And that's exactly where English lives. Not in exams, not in perfect grammar, in ordinary days. So let's look back at what you learned today. You learned how to wake up, get ready, eat breakfast, travel to work, talk to coworkers, have lunch, come home, eat dinner, and go to bed. All in English. And you learned some really natural phrases. Let's say a few one more time. I'm running late. I'm heading out. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm swamped. I'm on my way home. Same old. Beautiful. Now here's your homework. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, say one sentence out loud in English. Just one. I just woke up. That's it. And in the comments below, tell me one sentence from today that you'll actually use. Write it in English. Mistakes are welcome. I read every comment. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe to Daily Speak English podcast. It really helps the channel, and it helps me make more of these for you. And remember, you don't need a special day to practice English. You just need today. I'm Alex. Thanks for spending this time with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.